Your videos don't get views, and that's because you don't use or know these strategies. It sounds too good to be true, but these simple techniques can actually make your videos go viral. I recently discovered and applied it on my second channel, and it worked for me, so why not for you? I'm not the only one. Take a look at this channel, then this one. So, if you miss any of the key points, this video won't make any sense. It's not the title, tags, or your thumbnail, but something that takes 30 minutes of your day. Let me show how it's done. Here's the secret. YouTube isn't just about fancy production or perfect thumbnails. It's all about ideas. Think about it. Even the biggest creators, like Mr. Beast, spend millions perfecting ideas. And the good news is, you don't need a huge budget to get started. This is the biggest secret used for viral videos. What you do is look for ideas that are already proven to work. Even the big YouTubers like Mr. Beast and Eric do this. Here's how it's done. The concept is simple. Every day spend 30 minutes finding channels similar to your niche. Look at their most popular videos and collect as many viral ideas as you can. And start brainstorming how you can take those concepts and tweak them for your niche. You can also look at related areas that attract a similar audience. The thing here is to steal like an artist. For example, if your channel is about finance, check out channels about side hustles, investing, or even tech reviews. You're not copying. You're adapting proven ideas to your own content space. Aim to come up with 10 to 20 ideas each session and write them on a piece of paper or a digital document. The more you do this, the more you'll learn what works, and you'll always have a pool of content ideas ready to go. Okay, now that you have a list of ideas, it's time to filter out the winners. This is where most beginners get stuck. You think you've got a great idea, but then the video flops. So how do you know beforehand if a video will work? Here's something a lot of new creators miss. Even if your video looks amazing, if the idea behind it isn't strong, it won't get traction. That's where this framework I use comes in, which I like to call the audience analysis. It's simple, but powerful. Think about what your viewers want: more subscribers, more money, or maybe entertainment? And if so, how likely is it that they can achieve that outcome from your video? How hard will it be for them to do it? How quickly can they see results from what you're sharing? I know, that sounds hard. Let me make it easier. For example, think of a video titled, "How to Lose Fat in 30 Days. It promises a quick, high-value outcome with minimal effort. It instantly appeals because it offers a huge benefit in a short amount of time. That's how you create real value that pulls people in. Once you have a list of ideas, the next step is to filter them down using something I like to call the 5x5 rule. This is a system I use to pick only the best, most impactful ideas to turn into videos. Here's what you should ask yourself. Does the idea excite you? If you're not excited about the idea, it'll show in the final video and viewers can sense that. Is it realistic to make? While crazy ideas can sound fun, you need to make sure they're doable. If the idea requires a trip to the moon, it's probably not going to happen. Does it match your view goals? Check if similar ideas have performed well on other channels. You want content that has proven potential. Can you create a killer title and thumbnail? If you can't think of a catchy way to package it, your video might not get the attention it deserves. Does it have broad appeal? Make sure your video is relevant to a wide audience. The more people it can reach, the better it will perform. For example, a video that is about the cheapest supermarkets in America will perform better than the video titled "Cheapest Supermarkets in Las Vegas." Once you run each idea through this filter, you'll have a refined list of only the best concepts, so you don't waste time on videos that nobody wants to watch. Now that you have your viral video, the next step is to make people click. Here's a trick I use that's super effective. Before you post your video, see how your title and thumbnail will look on YouTube. A site like thumbsup.tv lets you do this. Just put your title and upload your thumbnail. It'll show you how your video will appear in different areas of YouTube, on the homepage, in the sidebar. You can even see how it looks in dark mode, so you can tweak before you post. If you have multiple thumbnails for your video, use the test and compare feature from the YouTube studio. YouTube thumbnails are really important because they help grab people's attention quickly. Our brains react faster to pictures than to words, so a good thumbnail can make someone click on your video before they even read the title. When thumbnails show clear emotions, like someone looking surprised or excited, it makes people curious and want to know what's happening. Bright colors like red and yellow also stand out more and catch the eye, while simple thumbnails make it easy for people to understand what your video is about in just a second. If your thumbnail looks interesting but doesn't give away everything, it makes viewers curious, so they'll want to click to find out more. If you use the same style for all your thumbnails, people will start to recognize your videos easily and they'll trust that your content is good. Overall, thumbnails that are simple, colorful, and make people feel curious or excited are more likely to get people to click, which helps your channel grow. A small change in your title can make a huge difference in how your video performs. For example, compare editing tips that help videos go viral versus how editing tricks can make your video blow up. The second one feels more exciting, right? Simple tweaks like this can elevate your video's potential. After all this, there is zero chance of your video getting flopped. But if you still don't see any good results, don't sleep on one video. Remember, YouTube rewards creators who post regularly. And the more you post, the better you'll get at fine-tuning your ideas, improving your thumbnails, and engaging with your audience. You'll start to see results faster. So there you have it, the boring but simple things that can blow up your channel in just 30 days. Now it's your turn to get out there. Start idea hunting and grow your channel faster. You can also prove Jimmy wrong when he said,
your first video is not going to get views. Period. It's not. Your first 10 are not going to get views. I can very confidently say that.